Strong tonal contrast can instantly elevate an image's visual impact when handled with precision and control. How to explore advanced tonal contrast. Open Photoshop and load your photo onto a 2000-pixel canvas, converting the layer into a smart object to preserve original quality. Begin with a curves adjustment layer and create a gentle S-curve to deepen shadows and brighten highlights. Add a levels adjustment layer to refine tonal range and prevent clipping. If color shifts appear, apply selective color to rebalance hues. Lower opacity slightly so the contrast feels cinematic rather than harsh. Use a mask and soft brush to soften adjustments in delicate areas.